Hello girls, are you curvy fashionists looking for the latest trends and style in plus size women dresses? Yes, you are in the right place. Our YouTube channel is dedicated to celebrating and empowering plus size women by showcasing a diverse range of fabulous dresses that are designed to make you look and feel incredible. Girls, we will bring you curated collection of stunning dresses that cater to various occasions, season and profession style from casual to formal. We have got you covered. Our expert fashionists will share valuable tips on how to accessorize, layer and pair dresses to create outfits that reflect your unique personality. We believe that everybody is beautiful and we are all about promoting self-love and confidence. Our videos will inspire you to embrace your curves and rock any outfit with grace. We will review and recommend plus size dresses brands that prioritize both style and comfort, get insight into the seizing fabric quality and overall shopping experience. Your voice matters. We encourage you to comment, share and thoughts and suggest content you would like to see. This channel is a community where all curvy fashionists can contact and uplift one another. Girls, don't miss out on the latest updates in the world of plus size fashion. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you will be the first to know when we drop new video. Follow us on our social media platforms for behind the scenes, peeks, talks and more. It's all about expressing your style, confident, breaking barriers and celebrating your curves. Get ready to step into the world of fabulous fashion, one dress at a time. Thank you for joining on this exciting journey. So girls, in this video we are diving into the world of fabulous plus size fashion with the dazzling airy dresses that celebrate our curve and style preference. Whether you are looking for a casual chic elegant evening wear or trendy day out outfits, we have got you covered. Our first pick is a gorgeous Flora maxi print dresses that are perfect for those sunny days out. We are exploring a curvy hugging bodycon dresses that will make you feel like the queen you are. Watch as discuss the fabric fit and offer tips on accessories to complement these stunning pieces. Girls, for a casual yet trendy options, we are reviewing a cute and comfy sweater dresses. We will share our thoughts on this comfort and versatility plus some ideas on how to layer and different season. Please girls, like this video, share this video with your family and friends. If you have a special event coming up, don't miss even evening dress. We will provide a up look and interior details and share suggestion on hair and makeup to complete glamorous look. We have got a classic wrap dresses that are perfect for the office and a line date with friends. Learn how to adjust it for a perfect fit and see how it flatters and body types. So if you are ready to embrace the world of plus size fashion, hit the subscribe button and give up a thumbs up.